we're back at her, folks.
We're doing it after 2 weeks
At least.
of being.
Might be 3 weeks once this video comes out.
Yeah.
Josh has been hard at work. We finally, to resume, I guess, where we left off. Josh got those situated. Then he added a little pocket thing. And then he also added a little finger hole lifter. Same thing over here, little finger hole lifter. And all he's doing right now is a little bit of sanding. Get it a little smoothed out, and then we're thinking about putting it on the old truck. So, a little bit of an update of what we have done. Don't mind the mess here, folks. Don't mind the mess. But for those of you who are familiar with the, what is this, the 2013?
Yeah.
2013 F-150s, you know they don't have a soft open. And so we installed a soft opening, a little damper right there. So that's pretty sweet. How much did that cost?
That was a whopping $25.
25 bucks. Super easy. You unscrew that sucker. This guy right here. Unscrew that, add the plate. The only hard part is you probably, to screw this in, you need either a step bit or a 17/32 drill bit, which good luck finding one of those. We just took a 1/2 inch and then just kind of bored it out just slowly. And that worked out super nice. I think the plan for tonight is to
Just kind of sand this a little bit, just the like hard edges, and then we'll take the doors off and screw her down.
Okay.
And then put the doors back on, obviously, or the cabinets, or whatever.
Beautiful.
But
that's the goal for tonight.
it'll happen.
All right, here we go. All right, we're getting her in there. Hop on in, partner.
Okay, we're putting it in.
Hold on. Okay, here it comes, the maiden voyage.
Big wedge.
See what she looks like.
Wedge. I'm gonna get in there.
We'll hop in there.
I can't. Can you help me, Uncle?
I got this going. Come on, you got it.
Hey.
There you go. Go.
I can't get up.
Good job. Good job.
Good
Good job.
in there. I like to go in here. This is perfect for a bed. I need a bed or so. Okay.
Watch out. 1 second.
How does it look? What are you thinking?
I think it's,
I love it.
I don't know, it's in there.
Is in there good?
Oh yeah, we can just pull on this a little maybe, or something. Or it doesn't have to, it's in there.
I like
Watch
So
out. You want to
push it in?
Yeah.
Push this?
push on it?
Oh, it's going back here. Let me go over there. See it.
We got ourselves a platform.
Yeah, and it comes this way, like that, if I remember right. Is that how we did
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Cool, we're ready to start
She's in there.
screwing it down.
Pre-
That lines up to screw into there,
That's perfect.
and then this one's close. So those won't screw into that back wall, but we'll tap it from like, maybe make a line from here to here,
Okay.
and then just, because now we know where it's at. So yeah, glue it and screw it.
Glue it and screw it. All right, time to glue.
Yep.
All right.
I'll watch you guys do this.
there. Undo that. There we go.
Okay.
Oh God, go fast.
Okay, I'm at home and nobody's home yet. You need help, Daddy.
Okay, got that.
Whoa!
Nice.
What you thinking?
Nothing.
Wow,
Switch.
the glue is coming to
Can you reach? I can scoot here.
I got the scooch right here.
No, you're fine, brother.
Okay. You can set her down, can't you, for a little?
Woo!
And then I can lift and you can.
Okay.
Hey.
Stay.
Oh, this is awkward and kind of heavy.
Yeah,
It's weird.
it is in there, huh?
Crunchy Yoda, crunchy Yoda, crunchy pud.
Okay.
Okay, you ready to set her down? Push her down.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Sorry.
No, you're all right.
That screws wound down.
All right. Well,
Set her down.
you get it to a spot that you like. We got her glued. Now we're gonna tack it down. Then we'll probably
Perfect.
screw her down. Do some.
Oh.
Oh!
Don't do that though.
She needs to see it, yeah.
And next,
I'm putting her in there.
that'll be close.
What's up?
So this will be really close. Under-
This is fun.
All right.
Cool.
Glue, screw, time.
I love it.
Do you want to nail it down or?
Dad, I really want to be a roomie, but I never want to be a hero.
Get the drill, little minis.
Did that
Do you have any tiny screws? Or are you using the Craig ones?
I was thinking of using
I need Bushman.
short wood ones that I have.
Yeah, where are those? Over here?
Yeah, straight away. There's a couple options in there.
I don't really want to.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, I gotta brush my
That's
teeth.
good. That's in there. That's that.
Those are kind of big.
This is what it called.
Geez, more like
Did you know
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3
Yeah.
in the middle, and then put a couple nails
the water?
in there,
Do you
and
know
then
why?
put a couple in the back corner just so that
I
one
don't
doesn't
have to hold
catch.
the breath because they're
Yeah.
just moved and
Yeah,
that is
let's do it.
Okay.
See you. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. See ya. Shall not be 16. Think the world is good. Think you what your baby's one lonely. Once up 60 years out. Think the world is good.
All right. So we got screws in here. We got 1,
And
2,
can you show
3,
me?
4. And Brooklyn wants to be seen. Oh, hold on. Let's get you bright. Here we go. There she is. Say hello.
Hello.
So we got it all nailed down. Next, we're going to install the drawers here. Back there, we have a little cubby hole right there too. And we finally got ourselves a freaking thing.
Sleeping platform.
Sleeping platform. Brooklyn's excited for it too. She's really pumped about it. So, yeah, here we go. Okay, we got this installed. These things are working. Got those both in, they're screwed down, and we got ourselves an official sleeping platform. Barry C. Carter is coming to the...
Pops is here.
Hello.
Does
Pops.
not want to be shown. There's Teddy Bear.
Hello,
So,
Papa.
we'll cut you back on once Pops leaves because he's camera shy. Wrapping up, we got the project done. We actually got done what we said we were going to get done, but I think what we're going to do next is up to Joshua, so I don't know what that is.
We're gonna do diesel heater.
Diesel heater?
Yep, we're gonna put that diesel heater in. So put the 2 walls up, and then get the diesel heater plumbed. Yeah, so we're gonna do that.
So
Where
All
the
right.
sleeping bag is.
that's all she wrote for tonight. That's a big night. We've got that box completed. Next to work on some other smaller boxes. But until then, we'll see you guys later. All right.
Bye bye.